for their love for the sport. So we're really happy that we got the opportunity now as a national team to come here. We are excited, looking forward to the turnaround of the people, and let's win the 2 games together as a nation.
Thank you Meghalaya government for providing such an amazing facility.
Kanun ilakai football ke India kelab pynkhreh benikon persya ke Bangladesh haka AFC Asian Cup 2027 Qualifiers haka final round. Kabanlong haka Arpsan Tarik Luber Ar-Rajar Arpsan haka Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium Shillong. Coach kari India Manolo Marquis ulong bagani kejing ikon ke beningkong kalong ke bakong sanbha. Bat kari India kedan kaman kore kejing job namar bagani kelumpung Yakob kedai ke belengkot haka bak ikon Henry Hussein. Bat kedan kaman yok korbon point tam bani oleh ikon ke Saudi Arabia. Ke India kedan ke grup A ke bekentup ke Bangladesh, Singapore bat Hong Kong, batang ke kenhuan ke buan ke kerdan ke beningkong kani orang haka final tournament ke benlong ha Saudi Arabia. Coach ulai ro ke jingwan pai biang Sunil Chetri banekon ke bentar ke India. Baru luang bo Sunil Chetri udai bakrau ha ke jing lakai football ke India. Baru luang bak India kelamat jeng ha ke bentap gol hakikat tu kene ke jing kon ki balalet. Ha ke bentau ki kabu banyak tap gol. Ulang ru bak Bangladesh kani omen siam da ke jing kentup lang yau Hamza Chowdhury ha ke midfield. Ubdai orang lakai berem jang Leicester City. Karbau noi lakai ke India Sandesh Jinggan ulapan pau ke jingkemen bo Sunil Chetri undan rengkat lang bat da ke jing tebet ke jong u panbu ha ke jing mai kanu ke kenhuan tang ke Bangladesh. Coach ke Bangladesh pad Javier Cabrera ulapan pau ke jing skam jing mut ke jing kun persya ke India kam tam ha ke kenhuan ke lapan kreh ba ke arp sau sengi bat kene ke kenhuan lakai ke Bangladesh ke klan ba menta ban ya ke bakalalong menshua. Captain ke Bangladesh Jamal Bhuyan ulapan pau ke jingkemen barwan lakai he India baru ulong ba ke jingkon persya ke India kan long ke ba ha hendrai ken ai ya ke babhatam.
Ranking is a lie. Ranking is a big lie. Because in the ranking you play only against Asian teams, European teams play against European teams. Only the World Cup you play against countries of another continent. Then for me there are teams who are behind us or with worse ranking than us, that they are better than India, and opposite, we are better than some teams that they are above us. And the other thing is, doesn't matter, is not the correct expression, but we will play with 11 for sure tomorrow. 11 players will be there, 11 players from Bangladesh will be there in the beginning with substitutions, and if we play a good game, we will win. If we don't play a good game, we have less chances. This is very simple, but is what it is.